So Cat Mario was just revealed for the Mario movie, and I decided to draw Giga Cat Mario in my sketchbook. Let's go. So this is not only Super Mario Day, but this is going to be a Super Mario week. So in this really tiny sketchbook, I decided to draw Giga Cat Mario, and this one was from Super Mario 3D World, Bowser's Fury. This one I just did a really quick light pencil sketch with a mechanical pencil, and I decided to use Micron ink pens, and these are very fine point pens that are really cool. And to finish off, I used Prisma markers in lots of gray tones and mainly black. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye.